Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like changing up my room. I like how it looks right now. I'm planning on moving my bed over to this wall. I've had this set up before. I just feel like it's time to go back to it. I cleared out this corner where the first movement will begin. I'm starting to get excited now that it's starting to happen. I'm getting it going. I'm moving the bed around and Blue is just waking up every time I move it. Making progress. Guys, look at my cat. She's exploring. She's having a lot of fun right now. Meanwhile, I'm losing it. I'm so tired. It's actually exhausting. All the shit towards one side. Oh my god! Oh no! I almost dropped my fucking lamp. Are you okay? I almost dropped my lamp. That was so terrifying. Got my vanity in the curtain area. This I just have to scoot down over. I can bring this forward. I got the bed in place. I've completed my tasks. I'm not actually really happy with the way it looks, but it is what it is. I don't like how close these two things are to each other. But this is way too heavy for me to even mess with that right now, so I'm not going to. This will be it for now. Day 2 from the new setup. I kind of left off with a big mess. So there's more things that I have to do, still clean up and put clothes away and put stuff away, figure out a spot to store things so that it's not just everywhere. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today. I'm about to be Nikola Tesla and invent electricity. You touch my back, but you could. Patience is a virtue, but it's virtually useless to text me. Turn 180, bird up the cinnamon. I also feel like I'm kind of a hoarder when it comes to like makeup and jewelry. Ooh, I might do a fun like eyelash look. I think I'm gonna do that. And I might add a cute little jewel, honestly. Got this candle from Marshall's. It's a bunch of kitties and it smells delicious and the color is so cute. So this is a little jewelry chest. It opens up. There's a mirror and then there's this little velvet thing. I'm gonna clean it up, but you can put rings and like bracelets or whatever. And then there's these little compartments. There's compartments on the first 2, and then the rest of them don't have little smaller compartments. Feels good for now. My sister beat me to the shower, so here I am trying to figure out what I could do, and I decided I can fix up my hair a little while she's in the shower, just kind of give it a little bit more curl definition, and then I can put it up and then just wash my face and body and then get ready. Trying to brush it out with my fingers, just because I used to like really brush it a lot, like all the time, just make sure that it was never tangled, because that pisses me off, and it still pisses me off if it's tangled. But I just see how much breakage it causes when I am brushing my hair dry. It causes so much breakage, and there's like some hair falling off, but it's got to be less than when I brush it. So the brush is just too rough. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this heat primer from Pantene. I'm going to apply it all over. And they also say it's bad to curl your hair if it's wet, because it's like more damaging and whatnot. But it's like, well, the heat primer is gonna be wet. Like, what am I supposed to do? Doing a little bit of curls. I'm not gonna do the most, it's just to kind of give it some sort of definition or something. Where have you been? Okay, just like that, we're done. We're done with the hair now, so I can go ahead and pin it up and shower. So I'm gonna turn this off now. Thank you, my friend. It looks very cute. And I hope I didn't burn it too much, but I'll definitely try to keep saving it with dry hair shampoo and get as much use of this cute, beautiful curly hair. I know. I'm gonna comb my lashes for now. I'm just putting some lip balm, some coconut lip balm. It's some of this gloss that I have. I'm just gonna gloss it up. So now that I'm glossed up and short, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a fit that is chill and comfortable. So let me see what I can come up with. I'm wearing this striped shirt from Forever 21 with some black sweats that are from Pink. Also look, the piece that I made. It is a 777. His and his. Yeah, so I have it here. Just thought I'd add a little something so that looks cute. The vibe right now, very chill and comfortable. And I'm gonna add the hoodie because it's too cold to be in this. Here's my hoodie. It's from Brandy Melville. It's King Kong, Godzilla and King Kong, both of them. I haven't seen the movie Godzilla versus King Kong. I still haven't seen it, so I'm gonna have to watch it. And it would only be right if I'm wearing this. I don't know if it's just me, but in my household, we always ask if anyone needs to use a bathroom, because we only have one bathroom, and it's like, oh, okay, if you're gonna shower, be mindful and ask. And honestly, lately I haven't really been asking, so maybe I should start asking again. But sometimes I do. It just depends. I always have a habit of saying no, and then I realize that I have to go really bad, and it's just like, oh right, I could have said yes, but I didn't. I'm gonna add a bracelet, even though probably no one's gonna see it. Bracelet, and it's super cute, just like that. Since I'm adding all this gold stuff, I should change my earrings to gold, since right now I have silver. Change my earrings. They're these cute little heart, they're little seashells. Need to put on some shoes. I'm probably gonna go ahead and wear some cute little Uggs. They're so cute. They're these pink, like mauve with like metallic mauve, like cheetah print. I'm not sure what kind of print it is, but they're super cute, and I'm gonna add them to my outfit since I don't have any color, and adding a little pop of color in the shoes is super cute. So I'm gonna do a quick what's in my bag. Okay, so I'm taking this little Harajuku Lovers bag. I just thought it was cute. I know some people might think it's childish because it's like little dolls or something, but I'm sorry, you got the wrong person to like care about that shit, because I love Hello Kitty and Care Bears and Sanrio and Barbie and everything that is like designed for children. So yeah, whatever. And also I just realized I can add this and it'd be super cute, and it's this cute little Barbie rhinestone heart fur thing that I'm just gonna go ahead and add here to my... Looks cuter. Okay. This cute little coin purse that has a star engraved, and it's a magnet snap one, and I just have all my credit cards on my cards, and then I have my keys, my lip balm, and then a small little vapor rub for when I was sick. I'm gonna take my glasses with me, my phone with me. I'm gonna go head out now.